Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Hayley, the Executive Assistant at Motion Control Products. I was lucky enough to be part of the team supporting our apprentices when they chose our company to move their career forwards, and I've been incredibly impressed with the professionalism and how fast they found their feet, and more importantly their voices. This is National Apprenticeship Week, and we thought we would speak to our apprentices so they can share their experiences and their journey with us and hopefully encourage other businesses to bring apprentices on board. They truly do have a great benefit. I'm here with Kitty, our junior mechatronics engineer, who joined us during her final year on the degree apprenticeship programme. So can you share some highlights from your time as an apprentice in the field of mechatronics?
I'd have to say that one of my highlights is definitely completing my degree and then moving straight on to my master's with support from MCP. But as more of a career-based highlight, would definitely be creating some of the work-based projects that I've done. Be able to say that I created this thing, this object, this component is an incredible feeling, and it makes me feel really proud of what I've learned.
So building on that, what were the most valuable lessons that you learnt during that period?
I've learned a lot about people skills, project management, and obviously the high-level technical skills I need to be able to complete my role. But most valuable, I think, are the professionalism, business, and working with people of varied technical backgrounds on projects.
So how did your apprenticeship contribute to your understanding of mechatronics, and how did that link with your role at MCP?
My off-the-job learning at university included modules on mechatronics, robotics, control system design and design management, which is giving me that key background engineering knowledge that I can apply to my day-to-day role at MCP. The university assignments can be done alongside the job. For example, I had to do a paper on an engineering topic, which I could apply to one of our products we had at the company, and then suggest improvements that could be made to it to make it more sustainable.
Okay, so moving on, what specific projects or tasks during your apprenticeship did you enjoy most, and what provided a bigger challenge for you?
One of the most challenging things I've had to do was when I first started here, I'd never done any soldering. And one of the first tasks I was given was to do some soldering on a PCB, which I really enjoyed the challenge of learning, and now I'm quite confident in doing that. But to start off with, it was a bit worrying because I thought I might get it wrong and then it might blow up effectively. But now I'm really confident in that, and I'm really proud of myself for learning that skill.
Great. So as someone who's transitioned from an apprentice to a junior mechatronics engineer, what advice do you have for individuals aspiring to pursue a similar career path?
Aside from the academics like A-levels or GCSEs, doing some work experience would be really helpful if you're unsure about what sort of engineering you'd want to go into. There's so many disciplines in the engineering field. There's mechanical, electrical, electronic, civil, chemical, literally anything you can think of. And so it's quite key before you start deciding on what exactly you want to do some experience and sort of gauge what you might like to do. The other thing I would suggest is trying to link one of your hobbies. For example, if you enjoy riding bikes, maybe start doing some bicycle maintenance to get to know maybe the more mechanical side of engineering, because that really shows employers' enthusiasm about the engineering field, and also it's a really good talking point in potential interviews you might have.
Okay. So if someone was considering an engineering apprenticeship or just an apprenticeship in general, are there any specific recommendations you would offer or how to guide them in that right direction?
I'd say definitely attending some of the college or apprenticeship open days, exhibitions or shows is really helpful, because there's so many companies there that you might not even have heard of, but they might just be around the corner, and they usually offer some sort of apprenticeship, so it's a great way to find different opportunities. As I mentioned earlier, work experience is a great way to gain insight into different businesses. And also, if you impress a business on work experience, you may even get a better chance of getting an apprenticeship there, as they already know that you're interested in working for them. At school, you could talk to a careers advisor. They're really good at providing specific information regarding apprenticeships locally, and they can put you in contact with other companies. The government apprenticeship website is also really helpful and lists all the current openings for apprenticeships in your area.
Great. Well, thank you, Kitty, for sharing your experiences and insights. And to our viewers, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our videos. Check out the end screen for more Meet the Team videos, and we'll see you soon.